Do you also feel anxious and cannot control your overthinking? Then you must practice these 5 yoga postures daily. First posture is the child pose. You need to fold your legs like this and then extend your arms forward one by one. Rest your forehead on the mat and release the tension into the spine. You need to stay there for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Second posture, you need to come to the tabletop, aligning your wrist, elbows and shoulders in line, and inhale, arch your back into the cow pose, and exhale, round your back into the cat pose, and do it at least 15 to 30 times. Third pose, you need to stand on your mat, keeping your feet hip distance apart, and hang your spine from the waist, soft knees bent, and hold your elbows and stay there, hanging your head, whole shoulder, release tension from your whole back of the body into Uttanasana at least for 30 seconds. Fourth pose, you need to lie down onto your back and grab your thighs with the hands, press with the elbow, open up with the chest and move into this fifth position. It will open up your heart and improve that compassion and love feeling into your body, releasing tension in the front of the body. Stay here for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Fifth posture, you need to fold your right leg and put it outside of the left thigh. Fold the left leg under your right hip. Taking the right hand back, left hand outside of the right knee, and gently twist your spine to release tension into your gut. Stay in this Matsyendrasana for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After doing these 5 postures, you must relax into Shavasana by leaving your legs and your hands. You can keep your right hand onto your belly, left hand onto your chest, and do the 3-dimensional breathing, breathing long and deep for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute to calm down your whole nervous system.